So I got this anonymous package in the mail the other day, and all that says on it is please open on camera. I'm not too sure I actually want to do this. So this was in my PO box. Now I have no idea who sent it. All I do know is that it was sent from within Australia. Now my PO box is listed publicly in the description of all my videos, so anyone can send me anything. Now I'm just not too sure what this is going to be. It feels like there's some sort of box or container inside. It's super light though. It almost feels empty, and I just don't know what to expect. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. Let's cut this open. I'm really not too sure if I want to look, to be honest. Okay. It is a container, and we've got ourselves a little note. I found this and thought you could use it in a project. Okay. Not too sure. Still no name, so we have no idea who sent this. Let's take a look, see what we got. Looks like it's wrapped in a tissue. I can't smell anything. I can feel something inside. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, that's the first layer. Holy shit! What is that? Holy crap, it looks like some kind of alien bug. I've never seen anything like it. Check this thing out. It's got claws at the front, almost like a bear, and then at the back it's got these two spikes. I hope they're not poisonous. No wonder they wanted to remain anonymous after sending me this. Do any of you guys know what it is? Well, I guess the question now is, what am I going to do with it? So I've been thinking about it, and I've decided I'm going to make myself another gear knob. Much like the spider one that I made a couple of years ago, I think it's now time for a change, and I reckon this one would look really cool in my ute. So I found an off-cut piece of Australian melee burl. I got myself a container to cast it in. Now I'm also going to paint that piece of burl with some colour shifting pigments. I got these ones from Just Resin, and if you guys want to try them for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. Now that our burl is painted, it's time to stick on the alien bug. That's going to look so cool. I'm just going to glue this on with a bit of UV resin. I've gone ahead and prepared my resin. Now I'll be using a deep casting resin for this one because I want to put this inside the vacuum chamber and draw as much air out of that bug as possible. Now being that this is a deep cast, it has a longer pot life, therefore I can keep this in the vac chamber until all the air is drawn out. Now that I've sucked most of the air out with the vacuum, it's time to cure it under pressure. Okay guys, it's prediction time. What do you think happened? Do you think we got a nice casting? Do you think any air escaped the bug? Do you reckon it's got that bubble layer around it? Let me know in the comments. Now while you're doing that, I need to add some new stickers to the pot. I've got wood turning by me, straight line cycles, and the vinyl attack. Alright, I really hope this worked because I don't think I can get another one. Wow. You wait till you see this. I've decided I don't want to show you guys just yet. I really want you guys to see it for the first time when it's shaped and polished and looking fantastic. So what I might do is put this on a waste block, turn it on a lathe, then we'll sand it and polish it, and then you guys can check it out. Alright guys, are you ready to see it? This looks amazing. Check it out. It's like I got a little lobster in there. I managed to get the positioning perfect. This thing looks so good. Check out those claws. I reckon this bug must do a bit of digging. It's a bit hard to see on camera, but the colour shift looks so cool. The magnification effect of the resin makes it real easy to see all the little details. I'm so happy with how this one turned out, so I guess there's only one more thing left to do, and let's go put it in the ute. Okay Bruce, you've scared enough people, it's time for Frank's turn.